Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing. This isn't a subscription. This is from a subscription company, SipSpy, but it is a one-time box you can buy in their shop. So they'll release one-time boxes, and they're just really nice because you know what's in them before. If you don't like the element of surprise that subscriptions can bring, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out. So this is their caffeine-free box, which I think I've told you guys a billion times. I just like the flexibility I have with that. Like if I want to make it caffeinated, I can add a little bit of another tea to it. You can't take it out though. That's the thing. So this is $15. They do have other boxes available in their shop. I picked this one because it's something that I actually am interested in, you know? So I think they had like a chai box. I don't really remember actually. But this one was the one that spoke to me. So anyway, I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also link to SipSpy with my affiliate link if you're interested in that. You open it up, and right on the top here it says the caffeine-free tea box. And then on the back it tells you about the steeping instructions for each sort of tea. So there's a green tea, black tea, white tea, herbal, oolong, rooibos, and pure. So there's that. And then we open it up, and we have right here is our SipSpy sachet with our disposable tea bags in it, because you will receive some loose leaf teas in this subscription. And then right on the top, I see this is from Republic of Tea. There are 4 bags of their organic mint fields. So these are little round bags. They're super cute. Love them. And this is organic spearmint, organic peppermint, and organic lemon balm. I've never tried this. Sounds really good though. I love spearmint. I love lemon. And lemon balm is very calming, like it has a very calming effect on you. All right, so then we have, this is from Off Black Generation Tea. Never heard of this brand, and the colors with the green are very cool. This is a caffeine-free herbal tea that's nicely spicy, cranberry and cinnamon. Ooh, these are also bags. There are 4 of them. Feels like vacation mode on. That sounds fun. Ingredients: rooibos, apple pieces, cinnamon, hibiscus. It will have a very bright color. Flavorings: cranberry 1% and no BS. 0 caffeine, steeped in 100 degrees Celsius water. This must be a brand from the UK, I guess. And then a 5-minute brewing time, because they did use Celsius. Anyway, so there's that. That's exciting. All right, second to last is Lavender Tay from Tay Spa. This is an aromatic restorative caffeine-free tea. This is loose leaf. It does come in this package, which I think is probably a 2-ounce bag. In this tea, we have lemon balm. You'll see that's kind of a theme with these caffeine-free teas. Maybe it's because I love lemon balm. I love lavender. This has lavender, hibiscus, jasmine flower, which I love floral. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I love florals. Jasmine flower, ginger, and some of the ingredients are organic, and they're starred here. So then it does give you also steeping instructions. The package is super cute. So I'm excited to try that. All right, final tea. I love caffeine. All right, this is from Tea Goblin, who has the cutest packaging ever. This is another loose leaf tea. Looks about to be 2 ounces, just guessing. The Piquant Peach is what this is. A redemption story. The teas, the spices, the apples and quinces, the lemons and oranges, plump unpecked cherries, melons and raspberries, bloom down-cheeked peaches, swart-headed mulberries, wild freeborn cranberries, crab apples, dewberries, pineapples, blackberries, apricots, strawberries were but a humble offering in that market centuries ago. We goblins are here merely to ply our wares, the succulent leaf potions we conjure up in our forest. Come taste. Come taste. Inspired by the poem Goblin Market by Christina Rossetti. So there's that. That's cute. Ingredients on this: organic apple, organic rosehip, organic white hibiscus, organic sweet blackberry leaves, organic roasted chicory root, natural flavoring, organic peach, and organic marigold. And there are steeping instructions here too. So I'm excited. So for your $15, you get 4 different teas. They're all caffeine free. So we have our Piquant Peach, our lavender tea, our what is this one called? Nicely spicy cranberry cinnamon tea, and finally our Republic of Tea organic mint fields, along with our little disposable tea bags. I think it's super cool. I love it. I can't wait to try these all out. Like I said, I will link down below to SipSpy. I'll also link to my full review on my blog, where we will go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.